It's us.
Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Vaughn, back with another video, back with another banger. And I am at Open Door Range. It is a firing range. They got archery, all type of firearms, all type of stuff. But man, the inside of this place, yes, I'm recording off the phone, but the inside of this place is very clean, like very clean, very clean. They got great customer service. Everybody's nice. Majority, what I noticed, most of the people are kind of nice. Some people look at you kind of crazy, but they have all types of stuff. I don't know if you can see. That's a Chris Vector, y'all. A Chris Vector. But yeah, they got all types of stuff. They have shotguns, rifles, pistols, all assortments of things. They have merch, all type of cool things. They have little tables they have like little tables where they have their display weapons set up. They have a wall of rentals. Y'all will love the rentals. They got all type of things that you can shoot. You shoot shotguns, AKs, any type of handguns. They got it all, and you can rent them. Man, I don't even know what to say about this range. It's definitely worth coming. But yeah, it's called Copendale Range, and they got everything you may need. If you need something from magazines to sights to trigger boards, trigger systems to stocks, you want to build you something, they got everything you could think of. They got tactical belts, like some of everything. They already have these fully built rifles, hunting rifles. Got a whole bunch of stuff. As y'all see, they got animals set up everywhere. Like, this is a real deal place. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a chainsaw. It's called what is that? A Novisky chainsaw SBR. It's a 300 blackout, but I'm looking at that right now. That mug clean. I ain't even gonna lie, that mug is clean. But man, they got holsters. Anything you could think of, they got it. Right now, I'm looking to see if they got a holster for what I got. Cause as y'all know, I got me a Taurus G3c right now. Looking to upgrade to, something else. But I ain't in no rush for that because I love my Taurus. But anything you could think of, they got it. Trying to see if they got any mechanic mags. Over 6 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours. I'm not seeing any mechanic mags, but it's okay. Mag pull. Those are Glock mags. But they got everything you could think of. They got knives. All types of stuff. We got knives, shotguns, ammo, all type of ammo. I need to see if they got any 16 gauge shotgun shells. This place is beautiful. Y'all see clips of the range later on in upcoming videos. But as of now, this is definitely gonna be my home range. People here got great hospitality. Like, you just can't go wrong. It's a Glock 19. Alright, y'all, so let me explain what's going on right here. So that bullet had bad bullet setback. If y'all know what that is, bullet setback, that's when the bullet is pushed into the case. So I just had to throw that round out. But let's get back into it. Alright, what's up, YouTube? As y'all can see, it is the next day. Excuse me for looking off, but it is next day. Came back from the range, had a good time. Everything was great. Shot a few great options, some things that I'm thinking about purchasing in the near future. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Man, like I said, 2026 is gonna be a good year for us. Just give us some time. Stay tuned, you know. And I promise y'all, it's gonna be worth it at the end. And y'all gonna see something that y'all may like. See something that a friend may like. Something that I might have something on here for everybody that might. I might. Oh Lord, I'm sorry, y'all. Sorry, y'all. I might have something out there for everybody to like though. But with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe, and share, and stay tuned. And we out.